Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick bread at home. Quick breads are incredibly simple to prepare, relying on chemical leaveners rather than yeast, which means no waiting for dough to rise. This makes them a fantastic option for a delicious treat in a short amount of time. We'll cover everything from the basic ingredients to the best mixing techniques, ensuring your homemade quick bread is perfectly tender and flavorful every single time. Get ready to bake something wonderful. Let's talk about the stars of our quick bread show, the ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour for structure, and a leavening agent like baking powder or baking soda to give it that lovely lift. Don't forget a fat, perhaps a half cup of melted butter or vegetable oil, for moisture and tenderness. And finally, a liquid, maybe 1 cup of milk or buttermilk, to bring everything together and activate those leaveners. Each component plays a crucial role in achieving the perfect texture and taste. The mixing process is key to a tender quick bread. First, in a large bowl, whisk together all your dry ingredients, like 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients, such as 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and a half cup of melted butter. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry. Mix just until everything is moistened. About 10 to 15 gentle stirs is usually enough. Overmixing is the enemy of tenderness, so resist the urge. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a prepared loaf pan, perhaps an 8 by 4-inch pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 55 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let your quick bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Store any leftovers wrapped tightly at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.